Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Instagram, and here you need to open your profile and go to the three lines in the top right corner to open settings and activity. Now in the settings and activity you need to go and choose account center right here, and now go and scroll down a little bit and go to personal details. So now in the personal details, we need to choose the last option here, account ownership and control, to modify your account ownership. So here we need to choose deactivation or deletion, and we will have two options here or more. You need to choose your account that you want to deactivate. In my case it will be this one, Instagram account. And now we have two options, deactivate account and delete account. So deactivating account is temporary, you can reactivate it at any time. So choose deactivate account and click continue. And now the last step is your password. So once you fill in your password and press continue, your account will be deactivated, but you can reactivate it whenever you want. And basically that is it. That is how you can deactivate Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.